This video will show you how to display the Bookmarks bar in the Microsoft Edge, also known as the Favorites bar. Having this bar is useful because it allows you to add websites for quick accesses. For example, if you frequently visit your bank, PayPal, or other sites, you can add them to the Bookmarks bar at the top of the screen, and clicking on that specific bookmark will take you directly to that website or even a specific page on that website. So if you want to go ahead and add anything like that as a bookmark, go to their official website. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and open chatgpt.com. As I use this AI frequently in my daily life, I'm going to go ahead and add it to the bookmark. In order to do that, you need to first go ahead and add this page to your favorites. Go ahead and tap on the star button over there. Name it. You can also select the folder. Go ahead and select Favorites Bar and then tap on Done. Now, if you open a new tab, you'll see the ChatGPT or any website directly in your bookmarks section in the top of the screen. It's easier than you think, and you can choose to display it on a new task pages only or all the time. So for that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, and in the Settings menu, go to Appearance. Here, you'll find options to customize Edge appearance. Focus on finding the Favorites bar option at the top. Go ahead and click on that. Remember that the Favorites bar is the same as the Bookmarks bar. Click on the drop-down menu to the right of the Favorites bar. You'll get three different options of Always, Never, and Only on new tabs. Select Always, and your bookmark bar will be now enabled and visible. You can now add or remove websites and quickly access them with a single click. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.